Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best garbage disposals you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many garbage disposals and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each garbage disposals, so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss the key things to consider when buying a garbage disposal. First, think about motor power, as stronger motors grind food waste faster and more efficiently. Next, consider the size and capacity that fits your household usage and sink space. Noise level is another big factor. Some models include sound insulation for quieter operation. You should also check the grinding stages, because multi-stage systems handle tougher waste better. Material durability matters too. Stainless steel components last longer and resist corrosion. Pay attention to installation type, whether it's continuous feed or batch feed, based on your safety and convenience needs. Don't forget energy and water efficiency, which help reduce utility bills. Lastly, review the warranty and brand reliability to ensure long-term satisfaction. Choosing wisely saves money, time, and effort in the kitchen. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.